Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soap jelly. This amazing DIY product is a concentrated cleaner, perfect for many household tasks. It's a fantastic way to save money and reduce waste by making your own cleaning supplies. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to create something so useful from scratch. Get ready to transform a simple bar of soap into a powerful cleaning solution for your home. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items. Grab a bar of plain, unscented soap. This is your base. You'll also need water, preferably distilled, to ensure a pure mixture and prevent any unwanted bacterial growth. Some people like to add a natural preservative, like a small amount of borax, to extend shelf life, but it's optional for immediate use.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on making soap jelly helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips. And speaking of keeping things clean, why not upgrade your home cleaning routine? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a game changer for effortless tidiness. Check the description below for a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
First, carefully grate your bar of soap into fine flakes. This helps it dissolve quickly. Next, combine the grated soap with water in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir continuously until all the soap has completely dissolved, forming a smooth liquid. Finally, remove it from the heat and let it cool. As it cools, it will magically thicken into that wonderful jelly consistency. Once your soap jelly has cooled, you can customize it. Feel free to add a few drops of your favorite essential oils for a pleasant scent, like lavender or lemon. You could even incorporate natural colorants if you wish. For storage, transfer your finished soap jelly into an airtight container. This will keep it fresh and ready for all your cleaning needs for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.